Yeah, hello Mike. This is our own crop. All right, so this is the same variety as another crop I'm going to show you in a minute. All right, give you some idea. The flag leaves. I mean, that is a flag leaf. So using my hand, that's at the bottom of the flag leaf. Flag leaf comes all the way up to past my wrist. I mean, it's incredible. And all of these that are curled over, they're all flag leaves. I mean, just look at the density of the crop. I mean, it's just thick, you know, and it actually feels quite stiff, which is perhaps a good thing. But yeah, just gives you some idea. All of those, everything that you see sticking up and curled over are all flag leaves. I mean, this is going to be one hell of a crop. But yeah, I'll take you across to the other field in a second and see. I don't know whether there's any way. I'll perhaps send you a photo of me standing in it just to show you the tell that's in me stood in it. Okay, so this is the field next to us that hasn't had it. This has had slurry in years gone by, but this has not had anything with biocomplex in, and this is just a standard crop, same variety as the one I've just shown you. This has had no slurry this year. Same seed rate. Now to look at it, it doesn't look that much different. This is a little bit. This was drilled the same day, although you'll see that that's on here. But look at the thickness and lushness of the crop. It's nothing compared to what we've just said. It's actually now probably as tall as our crop is, so that's come up quite tall. But look at the flag leaves. So the flag leaves, again, you take this flag leaf, my finger's at the bottom, so therefore I showed you on the other one, it came up past my wrist. This one is basically coming up to the middle of the palm of my hand, so it's about half the length. Let's look at another one. Another one there. That one's coming up to just in there. So, you know, they're almost 3 to 4 inches shorter in the flag leaf. But this doesn't look a bad crop. This looks good, but it just hasn't got the anything about it to what the other one we just showed you has. So I mean, yeah, it's incredible. It'll be interesting to see where we finish off.